Hey everybody, it's Nathan Sherman here in Arizona. I want to talk to you about this real estate market. Obviously, we're seeing some slowing down. We have high interest rates. People don't know what to do. They don't know what to expect with the housing market, as many agents do. They're feeling the pressure. And one thing I want to say is, right now is the time to get creative. If you're looking at buying a home, then find ways to make it beneficial for you. Asking for seller concessions. What are seller concessions? Seller concessions are when you, the buyer, ask the seller to contribute towards your closing costs. And that could be your loan, title fees, and all this other stuff. However, it could also go towards buying your rate down for your mortgage. So find the opportunities for you to be able to buy in this market right now. Houses are sitting in the market a little bit longer. That means that you as a buyer could possibly go in there and ask for a little bit less for the property, because some of these owners definitely want to move these properties a little quicker than they normally do, especially right now. And the reason why is because some of these buyers, they were in this really busy market where some of them decided to buy a house first and then sellers after the fact. Now these sellers are looking to move this property quick because they don't want to pay 2 mortgage payments. And it's unfortunate that they're in that position, but you as a buyer, you could go in there and ask for seller concessions. You could ask for a little bit lower price if you wanted to, and you might not get it on some of these properties. However, there are some people that might be willing to do it. So if you see a house that's kind of top of your price range, maybe reach out and just see what's available, or maybe put an offer in and see if they'll accept it. If not, worst thing that can happen is they say either no, or they just give you a counter offer for what they will accept. And then you can make a decision if you want to move forward. You as a seller, right now your house is going to just sit in the market maybe a little bit longer. The one way to make it move a little faster, though, is to make sure that your house is presentable. During the last 2 years, whenever we're going through this crazy real estate market, people were not even want to show their home, and people were making offers. People were wanting to clean things, not want to do repairs, and they were selling properties because they were selling so fast. However, things are changing. They're kind of a little bit, like, market's kind of back where we were prior to whenever we started seeing COVID and everything like that, where homes were sitting in the market for 30, 60, 90 days. And I don't think we've really seen houses on the market longer than 90 days yet. But that's kind of where we are. Well, that's where I kind of foresee us going, which really isn't a bad market. It's just something to kind of think about as you as a seller is maybe you want to put your house on the market now, just see if you get an offer on it before you go make an offer on another property. If you have any questions in regards to buying homes in Arizona, or just need answers in general for any questions in regards to real estate here in Arizona, please reach out, send me a message. I'll be happy to help you out. And you guys have a great day. Bye.